Yingyang Nonwoven Machinery Company is located in Changshu, near Shanghai. Yingyang covers more than 30 kinds of high-quality non-woven technology solutions for automotive interiors, acoustic fiberboard, microfiber synthetic leather substrate fabric, through air-bonded non-woven, geotextiles, air-laid felt, thermal-bonded wadding, spun-bond non-woven, spun-laced non-woven, lightweight non-woven, etc. For almost 30 years, Yingyang has provided thousands of complete sets of customized, high-quality, non-woven technology solutions in 73 countries all over the world. Yingyang's vision is to become a world-renowned brand in the non-woven field. Yingyang always concentrates on making high-capacity, high-quality, high-reliability, more energy-saving, more environmental-friendly, safer, and more intelligent products to help customers to achieve the best economic benefits. R&D is Yingyang's core competitiveness. Yingyang has a large R&D team with rich experience and extensive skills using modern research and development methods. Based on the PDM R&D data management platform, a powerful enterprise's comprehensive knowledge base is built, which uses finite element analysis. The mechanical part to ensure constant development in terms of machinery supply. Yingyang set up its own electrical control team at the beginning and now has more than 20 electrical engineers and more than 20 electrical assemblers. Yingyang completes all of the electrical work independently, from the electrical cabinet assembly to programming and debugging. Yingyang currently can achieve remote monitoring, one-button start, no damage on the web during production halts, and recipe storage, and will continue to provide better intelligent solutions. The principles of quality and customized service are paramount to Yingyang's service philosophy. Each project and every client is given unique attention with an individualized focus from the beginning of the project up until the after-sales service, with a fully complete file system for easy tracking and on-time response. More and more overseas sales and service networks are being established, along with parts warehouses, to contribute to Yingyang's global service. A turnkey service is available as well. in production. Yeni will also help customers to realize more possibilities and create more value based on made by Yeni, guaranteed by Yeni, innovated by Yeni.